Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hope you guys will have a wonderful day. This video we're going to talk about what to do when you see the market drop.
Your investment of them in negative.
So we've been taking a lot of hit in the past
6 months.
6 months?
Pretty bad, yeah.
Yeah. So in the past 6 months,
yeah.
majority of our, portfolio has been going down. It feels like it's going backward now.
It is going backward. Sorry, just trying to log into the account and then show you the chart of it. Just one of them. Where's it?
Let me see. So you can talk to them first.
Yeah, so we've been invested in, I think just in Spaceship in particular, we started 2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years
when COVID started. I think it was in 2020 January. End of it, the market was pretty low at that time, and then every week we putting money in there, and then it was since going up slowly.
Yeah, keep going.
And then at the peak we were making, it was sitting on the paper. The profit, it was around $6,000 to $7,000 on return only.
And then all of a sudden,
market.
And this is where it started.
Everywhere is going down. I think for the past 6 months were the worst. All our return demolished.
Yeah. So now instead of
it's 600 only.
As of the whole entire lot versus 7,000, I think it was the return. Mm-hmm. Now it's going down to $600 is the return.
We were lucky we invested early, but imagine people who invested maybe 6 months ago when the market was peak.
So if we look at the 6 months chart, based on this data, as you can tell, it's just going down.
Just dive down.
So that could be, especially when you were, when you start investing right there and just keep on going down.
And if it's your first time investing or you're new to it, you must be really scared. Scared as well.
Scared. Yeah. It's like, everything against you, all of this negativity, psychological mindset, I guess. It feels like,
I think it's so transparent, and by a click you can just sell it. I believe there are a lot of people just trying to get out of the market, stop my losses now. I'd rather get a few $100 back rather than zero.
Mm-hmm. I felt the same way when I first started this, the dive down during the first hit wave of COVID, when the start of COVID, just going down for a certain number of months.
When we first invested, it was on minus, and then I think a month or two, and it's slowly going back up. So we had more confidence into the market, so we put more money in, and now we treat it like investment account. So the concept of video was just one of our friends were asking.
Pretty much got to be nervous and new to it, so I figured he's probably not going to be the only one out there that's in the same boat. So here's our thought process from then on after experiencing the ups and downs of the market. So the basic concept of it is you go first.
For me, I treat it like a super account. So I use it like saving money. If market going down, I'll still either you don't put money in or just leave it, because once you cut it, you lose all your money.
You realize your losses. So,
correct.
Or you realize your gain, or whichever way you look at it.
If the money is not urgent, you don't need that to use for anything else. But some people, they're using the home deposit money, putting in there.
That would be very stressful.
It hurts a lot, for sure.
Especially when that's 6 months ago. Let's say if you put your home deposit or big lump sum, because you work so hard to get that.
So, and that's why we always say only put money that you can afford to lose, and not urgent. So you don't need that money for any emergency. I still remember people asking question, Space Universe a few months ago, making so much money. I got this $50,000 as home deposit, and I need it in, not now, but in 6 months time. Should I put the money in in Spaceship, no. I hope that person did not do it.
Not because if you need it in short term, because we're looking at this as like a long term, 10 years plus. So anything below that, it's short term, medium.
I'll say 5.
Yeah,
5 at least. But 10 is ideal.
Because you look at it, they're bound to be the ebbs and flow of the market, just like what we're experiencing at the moment. You will feel like you're doing a lot of things wrong, which is out of your control. The way I see it is, well, it's if you look at it, it's a supply-demand factor. So if you go shopping, for example, you buy a certain product, let's say bananas. Let's say at the current stage, when it was in the highs, like on the high peak, let's say that particular fruit or whatever it is that you're buying, banana costs only $3 each, as an example. And you've only got $3, so that means you can only buy one banana. Whereas now, let's say it's gone down in price, let's say it costs $1, that same dollar figure,
you can buy 3 bananas.
That's it. So that's how I see it. Now, for some people, is it a good time to be in the market? As a buyer, it probably is.
Maybe, I don't know, it's mixed. It's mixed information. I just read an article, one of the billionaire investor in America saying the market is going to crash even more.
Correct.
But you never know. But I think it's still pretty good price to buy it. If I have extra money, I may put more in there.
That's what I mean. Like at the moment,
because that's pretty much at our entry level.
Yeah,
it's under $2.
Yeah.
In Space Universe.
The unit price
per unit, around $2.
That's how I see it. Like, okay, then so at the moment it's on sale. It might be go down a little bit more. Maybe that same example in the future, it might be 50 cents for that banana. So it might drop down in unit price per unit. Let's say that could possibly happen. And at the same time, the risky bit is like it can go to zero. So there's that aspect of it, and then but at the same time we've seen the same portfolio where it hit 30% return
in a year,
in 1 year. So
more than 30%.
At one stage it was like 50%. 50% return in 1 year.
It's just ridiculous, but we're happy with anything 10%. But now I think it may go minus this year.
Well, this month alone, what is it?
I don't know. I don't think they will have the percentage.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Return.
This month,
minus
so 10. For the year, we are minus 10%. Or for the month, it's minus 10%.
For the
week.
Year, minus 10. Well, I think they start from... The year is based on 1st of January.
I think so. So anyway, you can search for that on, I guess, the unit price.
Yeah.
So that is what I'm looking at. So as a whole, this month, for the month it's minus 10%.
It's pretty bad.
Minus 10%.
But I do think the market may go further down a bit. Yeah.
It could also because of what's going on with the current
Bitcoin. Apparently, Bitcoin they lost a lot of money as well, or this cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
But cryptocurrency is still very expensive.
Each to their own. We're not really invested a lot.
No. But I got mixed up. Was it Raiz or Spaceship invested in crypto as well? That's why everything is going down so much.
So everyone's got their own speculative or their own
what you believe in it, what you understand. Because we didn't search anything about cryptocurrency. We can't say anything.
That's right. We're not really into deep dive on it. So we just look at it. Okay, then I need to diversify our income. So it just so happened it's not just in one platform. It is happening with all of
whole
the platforms.
World. Yeah.
So we looked at our whole entire portfolio: Raiz, Spaceship, Concept, Pocket, Vanguard. I don't know about my super. I haven't actually checked on my super.
I'm sure it's going down.
So January 2020, the start of the year, it feels like it's a bit of start of the year.
And I reckon our net worth is going down quite a lot.
Dramatically. So, but at the same time, you only lose if you cash out.
Yeah, if you realize the losses. And like what we said, we treat it as super. If you see a super going down, are you going to take out the money?
Yeah, especially when you're young, when you have like a long time before you, let's say retirement age, let's say, can you hold it off? Because maybe switch super fund, but that might take a few days or a few weeks before you can actually do that. Trying to understand which are the super funds. So, yeah.
Just be calm if you don't need that money.
Yeah. So, like in any investment, there is that risk factor.
But I think for me, I'll just keep going. Our current weekly plan is not much money anyway, because if you buy it now, you buy it lower, so you average out your entry cost.
It's a lot lower.
Yes.
Compared to us.
So if in long term, your profit will go higher if market going back up.
That's right. You just have to wait until when that would be, but we'll keep you guys up to date anyway. As we go along to our journey.
Yeah, but maybe soon our accounts will be all minus.
That's right. And we'll let you know if that happens.
Of course, we're open about that.
Anyway, that's just our 2 cents, guys, on what to do when you see your portfolio, everything going down.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and we'll see you
next time.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.